Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how you can create viral TikTok content automatically using AI. No video editing skills, no graphic design experience, no spending hours creating content. Everything is done for you in just a few clicks. Once you log in, this is your main dashboard. On the left side, you'll find all the powerful tools available inside TokNinja AI. TikTok Video Maker, TikTok Post Creator, URL Shortener, Hashtag Generator, Trend Finder, Viral Video Finder, Thumbnail Creator. Everything you need to grow your TikTok account is available in one simple dashboard. Let's begin with the TikTok Video Maker. This is where you create engaging short-form videos in minutes. Simply enter your niche or topic, write a prompt, or let AI generate one, choose your voice, select video format, enable subtitles if needed, then click Generate. Within moments, TokNinja AI creates a professional TikTok video automatically.
Alone in a foreign city, a young woman receives a letter mailed by her late grandmother. Each heartfelt word uncovers forgotten family secrets and leads her to places filled with memories. Along the way, she discovers that love never truly dies, it waits patiently to guide us home.
Money moves fast. Your business should too. Instantly track income, expenses, invoices, and collections while AI highlights trends and opportunities in real time. Spend less time managing spreadsheets and more time scaling your business with finance that works as hard as you do.
Next, let's open the TikTok Post Creator. Creating scroll-stopping posts is simple. Just enter your post title, describe your idea, choose your AI design model, select the number of designs, decide whether to include text, pick your preferred layout, click Generate, and within seconds, your TikTok post is ready to publish. Need to share affiliate links or promotional URLs? The built-in URL shortener lets you shorten links, track clicks, monitor campaign performance. Perfect for creators, marketers, and affiliates. Next is the hashtag generator. Simply enter your niche. TokNinja AI instantly generates trending hashtags, niche-specific hashtags, high-reach keywords, helping your content reach a much larger audience. Now let's check out the Trend Finder. This powerful tool helps you discover trending TikTok topics, viral challenges, popular content ideas, emerging trends. So you'll always know exactly what content people are watching right now. One of the most valuable tools is the Viral Video Finder. Simply search by keyword or niche. TokNinja AI finds high-performing viral videos so you can analyze successful content, discover winning ideas, create better videos faster, never run out of content inspiration again. Finally, let's look at the Thumbnail Creator. Create eye-catching thumbnails in seconds. Generate high CTR thumbnails, bright, engaging designs, professional visuals, designed to increase clicks and grab attention. Don't forget to explore the bonus area. You'll find additional resources and exclusive tools to help you grow even faster. If you ever need assistance, simply click Support. Our team is always ready to help whenever you need it. Instead of spending hours creating TikTok content every day, TokNinja AI helps you create viral videos, design engaging posts, find trending topics, generate powerful hashtags, discover viral content, build better thumbnails. All from one easy-to-use dashboard. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Log in, start creating, and grow your TikTok presence with TokNinja AI.